Hi friends, the screen which you are seeing right in front of you, this is called as desktop. When you open up a computer and after starting, this is the first screen which comes over here. On the desktop, we have got various functions, various icons, and we are right now going to talk about them. This screen, first of all, is a Windows screen. 95% of the laptops in the world use Windows as a major software. And this is the how this screen looks like. This picture on the screen can be different and you can keep changing it. Now let us talk about the basic functions which are there on the desktop. If you see here, this is called as the task bar, and on the left hand side of the taskbar, this button is the Windows button. This one button has mostly all the functions of the computer. If you click on it, you can see variety of things which open up. Now, the design which you can see right in front of you can be different in your laptop also, depending which year's version your laptop is of. So if this particular laptop is 4 years old, which is around 2016 2017, you might have a laptop or a desktop which might be 10 years old, 12 years old, or bought very recently. So the interface, which is called as the design, when you open this up, might be a little different, the colors might be a little different, but 95% all the functions are same. Now when you go on the left hand side, if you can just look at this one, this is the power button. If you click on this, they might ask you whether you want to restart the laptop, you want to shut down the laptop, or you want to just log off. This is a button for that. If you go one top, if you can see, this is a settings button. If you click on this button, the whole different settings start. What are the different system functions? What are the devices connected? What is the network and internet? So if you have an internet or not, is there a Wi-Fi or not? Everything is known when you click on this. What kind of phone? If you want, you can connect your iPhone or Android phone with this. There are different functions which Windows settings button has. Update and security. What kind of Windows update you want to make? What is the time? What is the date? Which country you are in right now? And all other functions. Now when you have to close it, any of the window, this is called as a window. Learn the basic thing that whenever you need to close anything, the rightmost button, which is red in color like this, and a cross, if you click on it, it will close. If you click on this, it's a minimize and a maximize button. You saw it goes maximize. If I click on this, it gets minimize. And if I click on this window will go down. And if I want it back, and if I click this, it comes back again. So right now I want to just close it because I don't need it. I'm closing it. And I'm again clicking that leftmost Windows button to see what are the other functions. There are photographs, pictures here. This is all the programs. If you scroll down the mouse, all the programs which are there in this computer are mentioned over here. Anytime somebody says that, hey, do you have this program? You have two options. One is you scroll down You scroll down with the help of your mouse, okay, or you can type over here in this search button. You can type what program are you looking out for. So for example, if I'm looking out for Microsoft Word, so I type Word, it shows me Word related programs are these, and I can click on the program and that particular program will open up. So right now I don't want it, and hence I am closing it. When you open this Windows button, there also are a lot of things like what is the date today. You can create your email IDs here. You can explore. Skype is there. There are other different kinds of things which are available. My suggestion, go ahead and spend some time and explore what all is available over here, because you will be using this particular Windows button a lot. Now if I click it here, it goes off. If you see on the right side of the taskbar, there are few buttons. They are also very important for us to know. This, if you see, is a date, time. This is a current date and time. It gives you the button for speakers. So my Wi-Fi should be there. So this is where I will know if my Wi-Fi is working or not working. If I click on it, it will show me what is the name of my Wi-Fi. It is connected or not. Like it is showing over here, it is connected and secured. And it shows what are the other Wi-Fi's also available in case I need to connect with something else. Okay. It shows me how much battery is left and other functions over here. Now we are going to now for us to open our email account, we need to see whether for us to open our email, we need to first of all open our internet. And to open our internet, we need to check if our Wi-Fi is working or not. And this is where you check if your Wi-Fi is working or not working. If I click on it, and if it shows me that my Wi-Fi is connected and secured, which means that my Wi-Fi is working. If it is not working, you need to know the username and password of your own Wi-Fi, enter it here, and then it will start working. Once you show that your Wi-Fi is working, then in that case, we need to access our internet. Now to access our internet, we need to use something which is called as internet browser. Google Chrome, if you see over here, this is one of the internet browsers. Second internet browser which is used very commonly is Internet Explorer, which looks like E, the sign of E, if you can see it here. Okay, and in case you're using MacBook, then Safari is the name of the internet browser over there. There is no practically much of a difference in all these three internet browsers. Feel free to use any one of them wherever you are comfortable. Now for the purpose of this video, if we have to choose one internet browser to open internet, I am choosing Google Chrome. Double click it with the help of mouse, and once this page opens up, we know that we have entered Google Chrome. If you can see the cursor where it is blinking right now, it is asking us to enter an email, Now can you see the cursor which is blinking over there? It is asking us to enter an website address over there so that it can take us there. And when we have to check our email, we will enter www, because every website address starts with www, which means World Wide Web. www.gmail.com. And if I press enter right now, which is on the keyboard, this page opens up. Now directly, can you see The email account has opened up because if it is your computer, it always saves the username and password. In case your username and password is not saved, this is what will open up for you. And for example, I will enter my email ID. My email ID. I enter my email, username over here. Then I click next. It asks for my password and I put my password. After entering your password, I again click next. It is asking me whether should I save the password or not. If it is your personal computer, you can choose to save the password, and if not, you can click on never. Now, this is where my whole email account has opened up, and the page which opens up in front of us is inbox, which means all the emails which I have received comes over here. And I will briefly just show you what all is there when it comes to an email account.